Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to fix apps that are not opening, then watch this video. First thing we need to do is we need to check for the system requirements of the app. So for example, in Microsoft stores, I will look for a simple app, let's say Photos. All right. And we will look for Microsoft Photos. Scroll down and we will check the system requirements here. Now this is just an example folks. It could be for any app that is not opening on your system when you click on it. So it shows that this product should work. Great. We'll move on to the next step. That is to run the app in the administrator mode. So we'll search for Photos here, open it, and then we'll click on run as administrator. You can even go to the shortcut of the app, say for example this app, and we can right click on it and click on run as administrator. If it still doesn't work, then we need to reset and repair the app. So we'll right click on the start button, go to settings, and then in settings we will look for apps, installed apps, and then we will search for say Photos, and we will click on the three buttons here, click on advanced options, and then click on repair, wait for the check mark, there it is, and click on reset, and we wait for the check mark, and it should repair the app. But if finally it's still not working, which is very rare, all these solutions should fix it right up. But if it's not working, then the only option left is to uninstall it. Click on uninstall, and then install it from the Microsoft Store, or you can install it from the browser itself. So I will look for Photos here, click on it, and then we'll click on get. I didn't uninstall it, so it shows open, but if you have uninstalled it, then it will show get. Click on it and it should download automatically on your computer. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.